Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix slow or unresponsive optical fingerprint on your Google Pixel 10a. So first of all, make sure to clean your device's glass surface, especially in the area near your fingerprint scanner. To do that, I recommend using a piece of a microfiber cloth. If you don't have microfiber cloth around, just use a regular dry towel. And once your device's screen is clean and smooth, try checking your fingerprint scanner once again. But it's not all. If you're still experiencing this issue, then most probably you have a screen protection installed on your smartphone, and in such case we should go to Display and Touch settings in settings. Open the settings menu, go to Display and Touch, and here we're gonna have to scroll down to Touch Sensitivity, and here enable increased sensitivity, which is also called the screen protector mode. So yeah, enable increased sensitivity, and then check your fingerprint scanner once again, and it should become faster. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.